She's not feeling good at all. She's had to cancel shopping. That's how bad she feels.
Yeah, Michelle said she knew it was serious. I tried to resurrect myself. I waited till the 11th hour to tell her I wasn't coming. There's Legos up there for me, and she's gonna get them. But I think I probably have norovirus. That's all you need to know. My stomach's in a lot of pain, and I probably have a tiny fever, and yeah, my stomach's in a lot of pain, and I feel horrible and weak, and I can't do anything. I can't even enjoy reading my book right now. I feel so poor.
Poor kid. Oh. But she has her buddies with her.
Yeah, they've been taking turns coming and hanging with me.
Yep. And I'm getting her what she needs, and
Don fed the kitties.
I fed the cats, and I checked the bird feeders.
I didn't make him do all of my morning routine. We just gonna call the water good today. It'll be fine.
Yeah,
for one day it'll be fine.
It's raining a little bit outside.
As long as I get back out there tomorrow.
Yeah, the cat water you're talking about.
Water.
Sure, I understand.
And I asked Don to go check on my bird seed.
Yep.
Can't have hungry birdies either.
Nope, can't have it. Yeah, I agree. All right, well, we're gonna get her all fixed and ship shape and back on the back on the treadmill and everything.
I'm too sick to do Legos and everything. Yeah, I highly doubt it was from the gym, but you never know.
Yeah.
Well, we disinfect the equipment all the time up there in our
house
because other people expect it, not because I'm too worried. But
right, yeah,
there was lots of other places I was on Tuesday or even yesterday that could have been problematic. So
yeah. Well, you get feeling better, pretty girl.